Creating the perfect tagline for your brand is essential for customers to quickly connect with your product. I've done this for hundreds of clients over the past 15 years, and there's a cheat code to accelerate the process. It's called ChatGPT. I'll walk you through exactly how I do it, and you'll be able to generate your own tagline in no time. The key to getting a great, high quality set of options right out the gate is to give a good context to ChatGPT and a good framework. Check this out. Hey, ChatGPT, I'm creating a tagline for my fictional company, Preserve Eyewear. I'm going to tell you why I created the company. I'm going to tell you how it benefits customers, and I'm going to tell you what it actually is. And then I want you to put all three of those things together and then add a twist to the tagline that makes customers turn their heads or go, aha, or gets an emotional reaction from them. Check this out. Why I created Preserve Eyewear is that my mom and I played pickleball together every weekend, and one day she took a pickleball to the eye. It caused permanent retinal damage for her. She couldn't see the grandkids. She couldn't play pickleball. She couldn't cook. It significantly decreased her quality of life. I created this eyewear company to protect everyone in the world from such eye damage when they're playing pickleball. Here's the how my company and my product benefits the world. My Preserve Eyewear products provide UV protection to protect people's eyes from damage from the sun. They also have a no crack guarantee lens that allows people to play pickleball, get hit in the eye, and still be just fine afterwards. Also, they have a sweat wicking mechanism that wicks the sweat away from their eyes so that they can stay on top of the game and stay safe on the court, which helps prevent further injuries. Here's the what. These glasses are manufactured in China. They have really high quality, no crack lenses. They come in a variety of styles for men and women. They have some patent protected sweat wicking as well as no break lens technology behind them. And they have a pretty sleek, sort of modern looking appeal to the glasses. Now, ChatGPT, I'd like you to take all of this context and use your best reasoning and give me 25 fabulous tagline options to review. Let the GPT cook. Now it's time to review the options and see what jumps out and inspires you. Then you go into a refinement process with the GPT. What jumped out at me is the protection aspect, like preserve what you play for. That was solid. And I also really liked repeating the word serve after preserve eyewear, because serving is something that you do in pickleball, and serving is what we're doing for customers. We're serving them by protecting them. And so I really liked preserve the view also by combining like the word serve and like view or vision together. Let's see if we can get a better round of options and see if that can hit all of the marks that we're looking for. Hey, ChatGPT, I like your options where you have the word serve toward the beginning of the tagline, and you have the word like view or vision toward the end of the tagline. And I like the taglines that really focus on the protecting and the serving of customers. So something like serve your vision is something that's kind of jumping out at me. If I say out loud the words preserve eyewear, serve your vision, I like the repetition of the word serve in the brand name and the word serve in the tagline. And that gives it a bit of a twist on the word serve, because preserve and serve are now put together. That's actually what this brand does, is it preserves your vision, and serving is something that you do in pickleball. Can you play off of this rough idea I'm throwing at you, ChatGPT? Use your maximum reasoning and give me 15 best options using this inspiration I just gave you. Let it cook. Okay, I think we have a winner here. Serve your vision is our winner. Now, to confirm that that tagline is available and is not already being used by another brand, we need to do a copyright check. And the best way to do that isn't to pay a lawyer $5,000 on the first round. Go ahead and use ChatGPT Deep Research to do so. Okay, we're going to go with serve your vision, capitalize the letter in all three of those words, and put a TM trademark at the end of that when you feed it back out to me in a moment. The reason why is I'd like you to do a deep research on the internet to ensure that the tagline serve your vision is not being utilized by other brands, and just to ensure that there's no registered trademarks in the United States for serve your vision. If it's clear, all clear, let me know. And if there are any conflicts, let me know. Let the research begin. Okay, the deep research has come back and has said there are no federally registered trademarks or noticeable conflicts for the tagline serve your vision in the United States. This is fabulous. So if you want to register your tagline, then you'd want to take this information to a lawyer and you can save thousands on fees for them having to manually do this research. If you'd like me to help you with your tagline for your company or any marketing or media strategy, been doing this for 15 years and I'd love to help your small business. Go to my website, notcorrupt.media. Go click on me. I'm Andrew Wall, the CEO, and click Book Solve Now session. And I'll be on a call with you immediately, helping you build your dream.